How to boost Instagram Reels reach with new music tools. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. To boost your Instagram Reels reach using music tools, there are a few things that you'll need to keep in mind. So before I tell you guys what those are, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. So to boost your Instagram Reels reach, you'll need to focus on leveraging training audios, using original sounds, and syncing your music with your content. That is basically making good edits. So for the key strategies, that is utilizing your training tools, training audios, this is what you need to do. Head over to your Instagram. After you're on your Instagram, you can either just go ahead and create a post, choose a picture, tap on next on the top right, and from here you will find music on the top. Simply tap on add audio on the top, and you can find the trending section right here. Tap on it, and from here you can see all the trending music that is currently there. You can see if they're going to increase or decrease, if they have gone up a rank or not. So just choose the music, use trending music, and the other way you can find trending music are by going to the Reels section. Tap on your Reels icon, music icon, then tap on the trend option on the top. From here you can identify your trending audio and use those. So also identify trends. You will need to look for the upward pointing arrow right here. Let me show you on the left hand side, and you can see if the sound is trending or not. Also make sure that you stay relevant. Make sure that the posts that you create is relevant, it is new, and it is mostly used as trends these days. And also stay relevant. And you can also add your own audio. Original audio can go viral, giving your content a unique boost. Now the other thing that we talked about is syncing the edits to the music. So align your video cuts, transitions, or text overlays with the beat and the flow of the music. This will keep the users engaged in your videos. And that's how you boost your Instagram Reels reach with the music tools. And that is basically it. Just use training sounds and make sure that your edits are good. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.